Go upstairs and it's time to go upstairs and take a bath.
No.
No?
Okay.
Are you gonna hide from me?
Mama.
Are you hiding behind that lamp?
Mama. Mama.
Yeah? It's time to go take a bath, sweetie. Come on.
No. No.
I can see you, sweetie. I see you. You better find a better hiding spot. Find a better hiding spot.
Mama.
Yes? It's time to take a bath, kiddo. Let's go.
Mama.
Come on, let's go.
No, Mama.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Come on.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Come on. Let's go, sweet pea.
Hi.
Where are you gonna hide? Where are you gonna hide? We're in a corner. I have you cornered. There's no way out. You can't hide.
Out.
That is a light, but that's not gonna help you either.
How much to over
No, I can still see you behind the lamp.